Today we're going to be covering all the fun things to do at Busch Gardens during their summer event. They have some brand new shows, a new drone show, and more. Alright, so we're going to go on Iron Gwazi first and take advantage of some of the rides. We haven't been here in 6 months. And then we're going to show the drone show, fireworks, the summer night stuff, and the food, the Bier Fest, which I thought was just going to be German food. But actually it looks really good. It looks like it has a nice variety, like tacos and Korean. It is a Friday and it is around 3 p.m. Let's see what the wait time is. It says 65 minutes and it does close. Will not reopen after fireworks. It closes early today, so it's a good thing we're doing it now. So Bier Fest Brews and Barbecue is going on right now through September 1st, and then the Summer Nights events is going on through August 10th. I would check their daily calendar on their website just to make sure that whatever you want to do is available that day. Typically, things are going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They have 75 different drinks and 25 different entrees to try. And they have some live musicians playing throughout the day too over in this pavilion. So we mainly tried the Korean dishes and the Mexican ones, so I will list what these are down below, and sorry for the blinking light where we sat. And I do want to thank Busch Gardens for having us out and providing the tickets, the food here, and quick queues. Now if you buy a lanyard, it equals out to be about $8 an item, which is still a pretty good deal. And those samples for the lanyard do include drinks too, or you can pay for each price, but you're gonna save with the lanyard. Okay, so that was Buddy Boy's favorite, the mac and cheese cone. Again, what did you like the best?
The mac and cheese.
And did you like the walking taco?
Yeah, I actually liked
the walking taco.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one and the mac and cheese.
Okay. Shepherd, what did you like the best?
I like the nachos in the bag, but I really enjoyed those Korean barbecue drumsticks. Those are nice.
Those are good. We pretty much devoured it. I liked the walking taco too, even though I got one bite. And the walking taco. The ribs are okay, and the mac and cheese is okay. I want to try the flan or root beer float. We're going to try some of the desserts, because I don't know if we're really full anymore. And the root beer floats, their machine's not working right now, so they can't do non-alcoholic right now. Alright, we got the flan here. If the kids like it, we got a couple more punches. It is smooth or not. I think it's, what do you think?
See the bottom, this is where the caramel is. It's good. It's not burning enough for me, but it's good.
I actually like it a lot. Okay, so the flan is the winner out of this whole thing so far. We're gonna try another dessert, but we ended up getting 2 more because we did not want to share. We had 2 punches left, so we used it on a strawberry dessert, but the flan was still better than that. It was good though. And then the final punch, we used it on the pretzels with the beer cheese, and all of us really liked that too. The cheese was really good. Honestly, we were pleasantly surprised with all the food. We're gonna go ride Cheetah Hunt and Cobra's Curse and maybe Montu. Be Buddy Boy's first time. But I thought the food was actually better this time. It was really good. And I can't wait to come back for Hello Scream. That's one of our favorite events here. So 3 times the charm for Rick. He finally likes Iron Gwazi now.
Yeah, it's fun.
It took him a minute, but it is like pretty much the best coaster here. Cheetah Hunt's next. Right now they're having a delay on the Cheetah Hunt, so we're gonna come back later. We're gonna do Cobra's Curse. And we're gonna see if we can get some water, because boy oh boy it is hot. Getting our free water here, because they don't have the freestyle machines anymore. Also, we do have a video on the dining deal plan, the all-day dining, so I'll link that down below. But it is worth it if you're gonna eat like without the festivals, and if you're gonna eat at least 2 to 3 times. Yeah, Cobra's Curse is 55 minutes. But yeah, look at the Shy Guys. Their color has faded from the sun. Yeah, but they got some Mario stuff over here. When a Fire Flower or Donkey Kong. That's fun. Oh, he's riding Yoshi. Still do it. Do it, do it, do it. Hi. They also had some really cute photo ops around the park. I wish these would stay longer. The kids did want to do Serengeti Flyer, but the thunderstorms were coming and we still had not checked out the brand new Wild Oasis. Falcon's Fury was only a 5-minute wait. Unfortunately, Scorpion is no longer with us. If you want a good refill station for water, they have a Coke Freestyle machine by Chick-fil-A. And yes, Chick-fil-A is in the all-day dining deal. Oh, this looks nice. We've actually never been back here. Look, it's even got the animals that are in here. Capybara, wild birds, and anteaters. Oh, they're looking at ants.
Not just they have capybaras, they also have ants.
There's a food kiosk too. Oh, the capybara viewing. Okay. Interesting. This looks really nice. Oh, they have a splash pad. This literally just opened up a couple weeks ago. It used to be an old playground that we never got to see because we hadn't been when it was open. I think it closed during the pandemic and never reopened, but they rethemed it completely. So I can't compare to how it used to be, but it really does look nice, and I think it's great for families. It gives the kids something to do, especially if they are too short to ride the coasters. Busch Gardens calls this America's most immersive, kid-friendly adventure realm, where you are immersed in the sounds and sights of the rainforest. You can engage in activities that touch on its many elements, including a newly themed drop tower ride, a high energy climbing canopy, a new multi-species habitat, and an interactive water play area. We didn't see any of the species, any of the animals out yet because it said they are getting accustomed to the new area and they need time to adjust. All right, well, they're closing due to lightning, so they got a little bit of time in before. But there's a tree drop tower this way. It's like a little cookie drop, mini drop tower. So they're closing, which is fair. If there's lightning in the area, you're gonna have to chill out because all the rides are gonna be closed. I think it's just gonna be a quick shower, no more than an hour. And the show starts pretty soon. Well, this is nice. I really do like this. We finally got the kids on Sheikah because my son is finally tall enough and my daughter wanted to wait until that happened. Vanessa was a little nervous because you are 200 feet up in the air and you dangle at a 90-degree drop, so it does look a little bit scary, but after they rode it, they really had fun. One of these days I may record it with my glasses. All right, well, we got kind of wet towards the end there. Awesome ride. Let's go see the show. ended up getting some pizza and salad for dinner as we waited for a storm to blow over, but it wasn't long until the lightning stopped because in Florida it's really unpredictable, but it's usually pretty quick. So we rode Cheetah Hunt at nighttime, and I'm telling you, that quick queue for summer really saved us so much time. If you're gonna go in the summer when it's busy, highly recommend getting that. Alright, so Montu is running now. But it was first time on this too. Pumpkin's first time on SheiKra today. What did you think of SheiKra?
I loved it.
One of your favorite new coasters?
Iron Gwazi and SheiKra.
Iron Gwazi and SheiKra. First time on SheiKra and Montu. Which did you like best?
SheiKra.
I
SheiKra?
gotta say SheiKra.
Montu throws you around too much, but
Montu's just, I don't know.
but SheiKra's awesome. I'm glad we got to go on that with the kids.
Montu's my least favorite.
Montu's your least favorite?
Yes.
Yeah. And we just made it in time to see the drone show. First time ever seeing it here. So we're going to show you the highlights of that and the fireworks.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live while we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing.
Overall, the drone show was really cool and highly recommend sticking around if you can see it, weather permitting. It's Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays through August 10th. And then afterwards, I believe it's about 5 minutes or so of fireworks. And SeaWorld is doing the same thing with drones and fireworks at the end of the night. If you want to see their summer events and specials, I will link our video down below, as well as our playlist for Busch Gardens and SeaWorld combined. Thank you to everyone who does watch our videos, likes, or comments. We really do appreciate it. Click these two videos next, the top one being all the rides at Busch Gardens. We go through all the roller coasters and attractions here, and the bottom one being the all-day dining deal. We show all the locations, restaurants, and food options if you purchase the dining plan.